gone really.
Oh no.
Hey!
And yeah. Hello. Right. I'm gonna do some new pets.
Yeah.
Third colour?
I've never made any before, so what do I actually have to do? Doesn't matter which one I start with.
I think easy one I find is this one.
Okay, let's do it.
What colour do you want to do? Colours, turtles. There's little Englands in here as well.
Mm-hmm.
There's a yellow one and this one.
Sorry?
There's a yellow one and there's that one and then
Wicked.
I'm just going to take them all out because otherwise I won't know which one's which. There's also
What little thingy?